Good morning, students. Continuing with the chapter comparing quantities, today we will see how to find out percentage increase or decrease. There are times when we need to know the increase or decrease in a certain quantity as percentage. To find out percentage increase or decrease, we use the formula amount of increase or decrease upon original value multiplied by 100. So this formula to be used to find out percentage increase or percentage decrease. Now we can see profit or loss mentioned as percentage, or how to find out profit percent or loss percent. So the buying price of any item, it is known as its cost price. It means the price that is given while buying an item or purchasing an item is called as cost price. In short, we can write it as CP, cost price. And the price at which any item is sold, that is known as the selling price. It is written in short as SP, selling price. And if the selling price is greater than the cost price, there will be a profit. Then we can find out profit by subtracting cost price from selling price. Profit is equal to selling price minus cost price. And if the selling price is less than the cost price, there is a loss, and loss can be calculated by subtracting selling price from cost price. That is, loss is equal to cost price minus selling price. Then profit percentage can be calculated using the formula profit upon cost price multiplied by 100. Same way, loss percentage can be calculated by using the formula loss upon cost price multiplied by 100. We have to learn the formula, then only we can calculate the sums. We can solve the exercise by using this formula. Now children, you know that sometimes to purchase houses or vehicles, we borrow money from the bank, or we call it as loan. We take loan from the bank or from some money lenders. And the money that we take as a loan, or the money that we borrow from the money lender, that is called by the name principal. So the money borrowed from a bank or a money lender for a specified period of time is called the principal. Okay. Now, when you pay back the money to the lender or the bank, we give some extra amount, and that additional money paid by the borrower, it is called interest. And the principal along with the interest, we call it by the name amount. So the total money paid back by the borrower to the lender is called amount. So amount is equal to principal plus interest. And that specified period of time, and that is called as the period. So the interest, if it is calculated for ₹100 for 1 year, then it is called as rate percent per annum. So what is rate? The interest on ₹100 for 1 year is called the rate percent per annum. And if interest is calculated uniformly on the original principal throughout the loan period, then it is called simple interest. And simple interest can be calculated using the formula P into R into T upon 100. So simple interest, we use the symbol I to denote simple interest. Then P into R into T upon 100, where P is the principal, R is the rate of interest, and T is the period in years. This way we can calculate the simple interest. So I is is equal to P into R into T upon 100. Using this formula, we can calculate P as 100 into I upon R into T. Same way, R can be calculated using the formula 100 into I upon P into T. And how to calculate then? T is equal to 100 into I upon P into R. See, from this formula I is equal to P into R into T upon 100. Suppose simple interest is given. You are asked to find out the principal. Use the formula cross multiplying 100 into I upon the remaining to R into T. And if simple interest, then principal and period given, you are asked to find out the rate. Then R is equal to 100 into I upon P into T. Then to calculate T, 100 into I upon P into R. I hope it's clear to you. Now we can start with exercise 8.3. Exercise 8.3. The first question. Tell what is the profit or loss in the following transactions. Also find profit percent or loss percent in each case. So you have to copy the question, page number 171 in your textbook, exercise 8.3. The first question. First you will find out whether it's a profit or loss. Then find out the profit percent or the loss percent. So the first question. Gardening shears brought for rupees 250 and sold for 325. So the cost price it is 250 and the selling price 325. So you have to see which one is greater, selling price or cost price. If cost price is greater, there is a loss, and if selling price is greater, there is a profit. In this question, the selling price is greater, so there is a profit. We can see it. Cost price of the gardening shears rupees 250. Selling price of the gardening shears rupees 325. So here selling price greater than cost price. So there will be profit. Profit is equal to selling price minus cost price. That's equal to rupees 325 minus 215. That's equal to rupees 75. So rupees 75 is the profit. Now we have to find out profit percent. So you know the formula, profit percent is equal to profit percent profit upon cost price multiplied by 100. So profit it is 75 upon 250 multiplied by 100. Isn't it? 0, 0 cancel, 25 ones are 25 3. So it is 30%. 30% is the profit percent. I hope it's clear to you. Now we can move on to the next question. Now in B, a refrigerator bought for rupees 12,000 and sold at rupees 13,500. Here write the cost price of the refrigerator, then selling price of the refrigerator, and then compare that. See, cost price of the refrigerator rupees 12,000, then selling price of the refrigerator rupees 13,500. Which is greater? That is selling price greater than cost price. Therefore, profit is equal to selling price minus cost price. That's equal to rupees 13,500 minus 12,000. So 13,500 minus 12,000, find out the answer. It is rupees 1,500. We can subtract and see. 12,000. Okay. Now we have to find out profit percent. So profit percent is equal to profit upon cost price multiplied by 100. That's equal to 1,500 upon 12,000 multiplied by 100. Cancel. Then so 150 upon 12. That is 12.5%. 150 upon 12, 12.5%. We can simplify and find out. 3 4s are 50. Okay. Then 2 2s are 25. 25 divided by 2, 12.5. That's the profit percent. Is that clear? Now see. A cupboard brought for rupees 2,500 and sold at rupees 3,000. First write the cost price, selling price, and then find out whether it is profit or loss. See, cost price of cupboard rupees 2,500, selling price of cupboard rupees 3,000. So here selling price greater than cost price. So how will you find out the profit? Profit is equal to selling price minus cost price. Substitute the value 3,000 minus 2,500. That's equal to rupees 500. Then profit percent. Profit upon cost price multiplied by 100. Profit we got it as 500 upon 2,500 multiplied by 100. 2 zeros in the numerator and denominator cancel. Then 25 ones are 25, 25 twos are 50, and here 1 0, that is 20. So the profit percentage we got it as 20%. Now D. A skirt bought for rupees 250 and sold at rupees 150. So first cost price of the skirt rupees 250. Selling price of the skirt rupees 150. Here you see cost price is greater than selling price, isn't it? So if cost price is greater than selling price, there is a loss. So we can find out the loss and then loss percentage. Cost price of the skirt 250, selling price 150. Cost price greater than selling price, therefore loss is equal to cost price minus selling price. Rupees 250 minus rupees 150. That's equal to rupees 100. Then loss percent equals loss upon cost price multiplied by 100. Then 100 upon 250 multiplied by 100. 1 0 cancel. 25 ones are 25 fours are 100. Then 4 into 10, 40. So the loss percent, it is 40%. Is that clear? Now question 2. Second question, convert each part of the ratio to percentage. So the first question, 3:1. So each part of the ratio, you have to convert it into percentage. See here, 3:1. Total how many parts are there? 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. So total parts it is 4. And 3 out of 4, that percentage you have to find out. Then 1 out of 4 percentage you have to find out. Is that clear? We will solve it. See here, total number of equal parts, 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. Then first we will write fraction of the first part of the ratio. Which is the first part of the ratio? That is 3. So total parts 4. So 3 upon 4. That is the fraction of the first part of the ratio. Now we can find out its percentage. That means percentage of the first part. So we will write its percentage. How to find out percentage? Multiply by 100. So 3 upon 4 multiplied by 100 percentage. That's equal to 4 ones are 4, 25 is 100. 4 ones are 4, 4 25 is 100. 25 into 3, it is 75%. Is that clear? Same way, you will write fraction of the second part of the ratio, that is 1 upon 4. Then its percentage, that's equal to 1 upon 4 multiplied by 100 percentage. That's equal to 4 ones are 4, 4 25s are 100. 1 into 25, 25%. Is that clear? Now we can do the second one. Now in B, question is 2 is to 3 is to 5. 2 is to 3 is to 5. First, what will you write? Number of equal parts. How many parts are there? 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 5, 10. So as we did in the previous sum, same way, first we will find out fraction of the first part of the ratio. Which is the first part? 2. Out of total 10. 2 upon 10. That is the fraction of the first part. Then you find out its percentage. Listen. So first part of the ratio, it is 2 upon 10. Its percentage 2 upon 10 multiplied by 100%. We got 20%, isn't it? Same way we can find out fraction of the second part of the ratio. This is the second part. So 3 upon 10. Its percentage 3 upon 10 multiplied by 100%. 0, 0 cancel. 3 into 10, 30%. Now fraction of the third part of the ratio. Third part is 5. So 5 upon 10. 10 is total number of parts. So 5 is percentage. 5 upon 10 multiplied by 100%. 0, 0 cancel. 5 into 10 is equal to 50%. Okay. Now in C, 1 is to 4. So first what will you write? Total number of equal parts. 1 plus 4, that's equal to 5. Isn't it? Next, fraction of the first part of the ratio, 1 upon 5. Next you will write its percentage. Its percentage, that is 1 upon 5 multiplied by 100%. 5 ones are 5 20s are 100. You will get 20%. Okay. Next, fraction of the second part of the ratio. That's equal to 4 upon 5. Fraction of the second part of the ratio is 4 upon 5 and its percentage 4 upon 5 multiplied by 100%. 5 20s are 100. 4 into 20, 80%. Okay. Now D, 1 is to 2 is to 5. Now you know how to solve it. First you will write total number of equal parts. 1 plus 2 plus 5, that's equal to 8. Now, next, fraction of the first part of the ratio, 1 upon 8. Then its percentage you have to find out. Then fraction of the second part of the ratio, 2 upon 8. Then its percentage. Fraction of the third part of the ratio, 5 upon 8 and its percentage. Okay? You can do it. Okay? Now you can check your answer of D. So first part of the ratio, you got the percentage as 12.5. Then second part is 2 upon 8. Then its percentage 25%. Third part 5 upon 8. So 5 upon 8 multiplied by 100, you will get 62.5%. Is that clear? Now question 3. The population of a city decreased from 25,000 to 24,500. Find the percentage decrease. So original population was 25,000 and from that there was a decrease to 24,500 and you have to find out the percentage decrease. So first we can write initial population of the city. So initial population of the city, that's equal to 25,000. Now, next we can write decreased population. How much it is? That is a decreased population. Decreased population is equal to 24,500. So initially 25,000, now 24,500. How much is decreased? That is decrease in population. Decrease in population, that's equal to 25,000 minus 24,500. That's equal to 500. That is the decrease in population. Now we can find out the percentage decrease. The percentage decrease beginning I gave you the formula. So percentage decrease is equal to decrease in population upon initial population multiplied by 100. Initial population multiplied by 100. That's equal to 500 upon 25,000, which is the initial population, multiplied by 100. That's equal to 0 and 0 cancel. Here also 0, here 0 cancel. Okay. Then 25 ones are 25 twos are. So how much percentage is there in the decrease? That is 2%. 2%. This is the percentage decrease. I hope the sums that we have solved now is clear to you. The remaining sums in exercise 8.3 will be continued in the next video. Thank you.